Good day viewers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on a 2019 Chrysler Pacifica. The vehicle was purchased from the auction with an accident on the passenger side front towards the middle. After repair, we still have one problem, which is the hood. Although it is closed, but it's still showing that the hood is open, which will eventually disable the auto start stop. Scan of the car shows P257F Engine Hood Switch Circuit High, P152e Engine Hood Switch to Circuit High, but this is stored. And in the body control module is showing B181E Hood Ajar Input Circuit Open. This vehicle is equipped with two hood switches. One is located right in the middle with the hood latch, and one right here on the driver's side. Following the OE diagram, we checked both switches, both of them working. We checked the wiring because there was wiring repair done here, not by us. There was a wiring, and this area was a high suspect area, but the wiring is correct, and we had to come here because one of the hood switches reports to the body control module, and we had to do our checking at the body control module, and we found out that the body control module is the one that faulty in this situation. As you guys see, the hood goes to the body control module, gets its power and ground from the body control module. Therefore, we called the dealer, and body control module is around $500. It is not available. It's going to take 7 to 10 business days to get here. So what we're going to do, we're going to remove this body control module, take it at home with us, and see if we can fix it quicker and cheaper for our customer. We took the body control module out and we disassembled it. We performed visual inspection, and by doing so, we're able to find a bad trace, which is right here, and it is definitely an open circuit. This will cause an open circuit in one of the circuits, and what we're going to do, we're going to fix this and hook up the body control module back to the vehicle and see what this is going to fix. Most probably, it's going to fix our concern. This is the module after the repair, and we're going to take it to the car to check it out. Got the front bumper installed, the body control module back, panel is back, and we already see that after starting the vehicle, we noticed that we don't have the hood open anymore. And actually, the owner told me that the ambient temperature sensor, the outside temperature sensor, wasn't working, and as you guys see, now it's reading 63. And let's do one more scan to see if any of these codes will come back. And right here, engine control module, pass no fault. Body control module have a lost communication with rain sensor module, which is not our concern. Thank you guys for watching. Please do not hesitate to call us or contact us on the social media if you have any need or any concern, or you need any help with any vehicle, domestic, Asian, European programming, ADAS calibrations, and module repair. Thank you.